When design solves problems quietly, this is what it looks like. This is not a luxury home, but it feels expensive and calm, so nothing feels forced or overdone. This is also not a sample layout. This is a real home interior design created to solve real space and living problems. Every piece here has a reason, but nothing screams for attention, so the space feels balanced the moment you enter the house. Watch till the end to see how this Japandi interior fixes that using simple furniture, natural materials, and smart placement. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. If you want a living area with a proper layout but still comfortable for daily use, this is perfect for you. You can keep everything low, light, and visually connected. Let's start with the foundation. Use a soft, warm white finish for both the walls and flat ceiling to reflect natural light. Keeping the base clean reduces distractions but improves brightness, so the room feels taller and more open. The floor uses soft beige porcelain tiles, which add warmth but stay durable. Moving on to the furniture pieces, you can use the furniture itself to define each zone. Place a low-profile fabric sofa with a wood base at the center of the open space, layered with soft pillows. The low height keeps sightlines open, but the deep seat provides comfort. Pair it with a round, solid wood coffee table. The curved shape improves movement, but the material connects back to the sofa base, so everything feels intentional. Keep your tabletop decor minimal, just a ceramic vase with plants and a small stack of books. Add 2 wood frame lounge chairs with fabric cushions placed against the wall. These match well with the sofa, so the seating area feels balanced and open. A neutral woven area rug anchors all the seating pieces. This rug defines the living zone, but keeps the colors soft, so the area feels calm and grounded. For the center light, choose a black ceiling fan with integrated LED light. This allows airflow and lighting to serve your entire living area evenly. Directly in front of the sofa is the entertainment area. This features a light wood wall panel as the main base. The wood adds warmth, but the vertical lines help the wall feel taller. Next is the white TV panel backdrop with backlighting to frame the screen. You can add a floating wood TV console with closed storage, aligned exactly with the TV panel above. Floating the console keeps the floor visible, but still provides enough storage. On one side, add a full-height wood cabinet with glass doors. This cabinet stores collected items, but still allows light to pass through. To cover the window, use full-height layered curtains. Sheer curtains filter daylight, and blackout curtains control glare, so your TV area stays comfortable at any time. As an additional layer, you can place a small round wood side table and indoor plants beside the sofa. This gives you extra surface for some items, but keeping the corner feels calm and natural. This living area setup follows the Japandi idea of less but better, so every item has a purpose. You can achieve this for around $3,550 to $3,750, with similar items linked in the product tags below. This is a dining area that follows a Japandi concept, using natural wood, soft fabric, and simple forms. Next to the seating zone is where you can allocate space for your dining area. Place a solid wood rectangular dining table for 6. The table size fits the space properly, but still allows clear walking paths, so movement around the table feels comfortable. You pair it with upholstered dining chairs with wood frames. The chairs are evenly spaced to maintain balance on both sides of the table. This repetition of wood keeps the design cohesive and blends smoothly with the rest of the home. Above the table, you install 3 woven pendant lights. These provide soft light, and their natural texture connects with the dining set. Layered curtains similar to the living area are also added, giving softness and control to your space. Along the dining wall, you add a compact sideboard with white panels and a wood top. This alignment keeps the layout clean and organized, so it doesn't block movement around the dining area. You can keep the decor simple with just small items, framed artwork, and medium indoor plants. This adds personality but avoids clutter, so the sideboard stays functional for serving or storage. The result? You get a space that works for daily meals and hosting, but still feels light and calm, so it fits perfectly into a Japandi home. You can achieve this dining area setup for around $2,300 to $2,600. Your kitchen needs to be efficient, but still match the calm look of the home. That's why the materials stay simple and the finishes stay clean. You can follow an L-shaped layout with a bar counter, giving you an efficient kitchen flow. Let's start with light quartz, with subtle gray veining used for the countertop and continuing through the backsplash. The light finish reflects light, but stays durable, so daily prep feels clean and easy across all work surfaces. The wet area uses an undermount sink placed below the window, paired with a built-in cooktop along the counter. This setup supports daily use, so cleaning and cooking feel simple, neat, and efficient. You can install push-to-open base cabinets in matte white, providing full storage, so the lower area stays organized. The same cabinet material is used for the upper cabinets. This repetition keeps the entire open space cohesive while giving you enough storage for kitchen items. A freestanding refrigerator is placed at the edge of the kitchen zone. This keeps the main work area clear, but stays accessible, so circulation remains smooth. After the main kitchen, you make sure the bar counter receives the same treatment. You can add vertical wood slats to the bar counter base. This texture connects to the dining furniture while keeping the design subtle, so the kitchen feels warm without being busy. Place 3 minimalist bar stools with wood legs along the counter. Their slim profile keeps the space open, and they provide comfortable seating, so the bar works well for casual meals. Lighting is essential, so you install a set of dome pendant lights. They provide soft light, so the space feels warm and inviting without overpowering the room. Now, you get a space that works for cooking and casual dining, but still blends seamlessly with the rest of the home. You can see how every area works together as one complete home. Each space stays simple but carefully planned, so nothing feels random or overcrowded. You don't just get a nice-looking home, but a home that finally supports your lifestyle. This Japandi approach proves that less can do more, but only when every detail has a purpose. If you want your home to feel calm, functional, and timeless, this is a design you can apply to your own space. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.